This is Kiwani Scientific Tips and Tricks. This video covers how to fill a deep scratch in our wood cabinetry. You will need the following items: color-matched blend sticks, a plastic scraper, Scotch-Brite or double-aught steel wool, a cheesecloth. After removing any dirt or debris from the area, use the plastic scraper to slice off some of the matching blend stick. Do not use your hands, as it can change the color of the stick. Apply the slice to the scratched area of wood, making sure to press it into the scratches. Once the blend stick has been applied, use the scraper to remove any excess from the surface. Use Scotch-Brite or double-aught steel wool to lightly clean any excess blend stick from the area, being careful not to damage the top coat. If the surface has a dull area where the blend stick was applied, you may use a cheesecloth to bring back shine on the top coat. This has been Kiwani Scientific Tips and Tricks.